Chocolate fondant. Chocolate coulant, melty inside as you see. Hello, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Today we will prepare fondant au chocolat or coulant au chocolat. In France, it's one of the top best sellers in all restaurants. Coulant au chocolat. You can find like as tiramisu, as crème brûlée, and as tarte tatin in France. It's quite every time in menu in all bistro and brasserie in France. And it's very, very simple to prepare at home if you respect the time of cooking and get good ingredients, good products to prepare it. And for this fantastic dessert, you need only 5 ingredients: chocolate, sugar, eggs, butter, flour, and if you want, a little bit of pinch of salt. If you have microwave, it will be very simple to prepare it. If you don't have it, you use bain-marie. So you warm your chocolate and butter on a pan with water. If you have microwave, as many people, you mix your chocolate and butter and put in microwave to melt them. This dessert is very convenient because we will put it in fridge for half an hour. So this means that you can prepare it before and cook at the last moment, at the last time for your guest.
A few moments later.
First minute I check if all its butter is melted, and we will try to mix with chocolate in order to don't warm too much chocolate, because if you warm it too much you will lose the fantastic flavor of cacao, and it's okay, it's perfect. All chocolate melt, and this we store it and let it cool down, but it's not so cold. And now we take another bowl and we will break only 3 eggs, different chicken, different eggs, 1 blue, 1 black, 1 beige. So we should break the eggs. We will mix just a little bit. We add sugar and we mix in the same time. That's really important moment. Never stay eggs and sugar without mixing them, because sugar will cook eggs. Every time in all pastry, when you have a mix of sugar and eggs, you need to weigh them and prepare, and when it's mixed, when it's together, immediately mix it. Voilà, it's okay. We will add a pinch of fleur de sel. If you like it, it can be just salt. As well, you can add some vanilla sugar, some vanilla, some cinnamon. What do you like? So let's touch this. It's not warm, but we will wait a little bit. The time for me to tell you that this must, as I said, rest half hour in the fridge or more time. So chocolate is cooling down. Here I just have some cycles with a lot of butter with finger, 2 size, and we will check different size for different time cooking. You can use as well a little more mold like this with a lot of butter, or of course silicone ones like these ones. So this is okay, and I prepare this pastry bag. If you store it in the fridge, it will be more comfortable, more convenient. So now the chocolate is cooled down. We add eggs and sugar in the chocolate. We slowly mixed. Very flavored chocolate. And now need to add just 1 ingredient. Now we will add some to the flour. If you want to flavor with coffee, for instance, a little bit touch of coffee with chocolate is every time tasty, if you like. It's the moment to add instant coffee. If you want to flavor it with coffee, you add just a spoon of or 2 spoons of instant coffee, and you will get chocolate fondant with little flavor of coffee. I will not, because this is very nice chocolate, and I will let it like this and eat it with coffee. We put the flour on the strain, that's all. And now we just need to mix, just incorporate the flour in our chocolate and eggs mix. I need to say, and you need to know, that the word coulant, it's something that invented a French chef, Michel Brasse, in the center countryside of France, which is a very, very good restaurant. Now it's his son, Sébastien, which ended the restaurant. Before it was 3-star Michelin with Michel Brasse. And he invented the concept of coulant with many things, not only chocolate. The first one was chocolate, and after made a lot of derivated and even also salty recipes. So there is as well savory dishes, coulant from Michel Brasse, because every time give back to César what is from César. This is ready. Put it in pastry bag. I use a big glass because if it will be more solid I can do it without, but this is still quite liquid appareil, liquid mix, having some French word, because as you listen, I'm a French guy. This we can close it this way. It will have a rest for half hour as minimum, or for a night or for an afternoon if you prepare it in advance before your guests come. Up in the fridge for half an hour.
Later.
30 minutes later in fridge. Now it's more solid. It's not completely solid, but it's more endable and easier to put in mold. We put till 3/4. And the little ones, it will be not coulant but fondant. So you will see another texture if we cook it at the same time. So we put it for those 8 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius.
Later.
Chocolate fondant ready. Now let's check inside. You can make a dressing as you want. Usually we just put some icing sugar. Here is like a line, here like a snow. This is your own design. Let's check. Hop, voilà. This is ready, as you see, but it's melty. And of course you need to eat it when it's still hot. Sweetness in this strange world.